Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to Unionbank in 2025. If you're tired of dealing with cash or complicated bank transfers, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid online or just managing your finances, transferring from PayPal to Unionbank is straightforward and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the PayPal app installed on your phone or access it via their website. Log in with your credentials to enter your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is where you'll manage your linked bank accounts. Next, look for the option to Add a bank account or Link a bank. Select Unionbank from the list of available banks. If it's not there, you might need to manually enter your account details, like your account number and routing information. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Accuracy is key here. After adding your Unionbank account, PayPal will prompt you to verify it. This usually involves a small test deposit or answering a security question. Once verified, you're all set to transfer funds. Head back to your wallet and select the Transfer to Bank option. Enter the amount you want to move and review the details carefully. Keep in mind that in 2025, PayPal might have updated fees or processing times, so check for any charges before confirming. Hit that Confirm button, and you're done. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days, depending on the banks involved. Always monitor your Unionbank account for the funds to appear. That's it for this quick guide. Remember, financial processes can change, so stay updated with the latest from PayPal and Unionbank. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.